Let's see how to fix shopping trolley bag. We'll firstly remove the safety cap. Now we'll fix the wheel. This sound ensures the wheel is fixed. Now we'll fix the another wheel. The wheel is fixed. Now we'll check the wheel is not coming out. Check the wheel is not coming out. The wheel is fixed. Now we'll see how to remove the wheels. Press this button to remove the wheel. Press this button, pull it out. Now again fix the wheel. Wheel is fixed. This sound ensures the wheel is fixed. Now we'll fix the back on this frame. Fix this latch over here. There is a chain for keeping mobile or keychain. This pocket is very useful. Now our shopping trolley bag is ready for use.